Good morning. Hey guys, it's 5 a.m. 30th of June and I'm still sitting at the editing table editing yesterday's vlog, which I started shooting very randomly. It started raining and subsequently a few other events followed, so I thought why not just vlog it. So I'm almost done with the vlog. It's gonna be out soon on YouTube and I really hope you guys like it. And the vlog's gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Also, it was raining heavily, so we came on the terrace to enjoy the rain. आज एक्चुअली मौसम है कि आप ब्रेड पकौड़े और चाय खाएं. But yeah, dude, it's quite nice because बहुत गर्मी है and
it's quite nice.
it actually changes the weather for good. It becomes very pleasant when it rains. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे बारिश के बारे में?
हो रही है. बिजली है नहीं घर पे. बढ़िया. कुछ कह रहा हूँ मैं.
This is the start state of the students of National Law Schools. इतना बढ़िया मौसम है और ये पढ़ रहे हैं. क्या पढ़ रहे हो तुम? Commercial mediation in Ireland. Why are you? Hello, भाई साहब. Why are you so sad
I'm not sad.
in life?
I'm not sad in life. I'm very happy.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy.
Usually बारिश होती है but इतनी जोर से नहीं होती है. आगे पीछे हर जगह से पानी आ रहा है. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप? बोलना सॉरी. झगड़ा हो गया. भाग गया. So I'm sure all of you must have read on the news about these locusts that have hit several parts of the country.
टिड्डियों से कैसे आप निपटेंगे?
टिड्डियों का अटैक देश के 4 राज्यों में.
पिद्दी और पिद्दी का शोरबा.
पाकिस्तान के रास्ते भारत में घुस रही टिड्डियां
को कहते हैं टिड्डी.
भारत फसलों का दुश्मन टिड्डियों का कैसे सामना कर रहा है?
वही छोटा सा टिड्डी.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
पर एक लोकस्ट हमारे यहाँ पे आ गए. It's still there. It's trying to move, and I have no idea where it wants to. It's still moving. कहाँ जाओगे? Have you guys spotted any? It's moving also. I just hope it does not jump on me. Hey, are you missing your friends? Did you lose your way? What brings you to this part of Haryana, my friend? बाकी टीम कहाँ है तुम्हारी? हैं टिड्डे? Spotted one locust in the balcony and the word is there's more on the terrace. So I'm going to terrace if I can find any more locusts there. एक locust ये रहा एक locust छत पे. भाई साहब आप भी तो locust है ना. आपके दोस्त कहाँ गए? आप बिछड़ कैसे गए अपने locust आर्मी से? आप अपनी locust आर्मी से बिछड़ कैसे गए? How do you manage to where are you going? Also, it has been a practice that whenever it rains, we just go out, take a stroll around the city, and Aryan kind of is occupied today, but I am just gonna have a word with him and see if I can pitch him the idea of going out right now. चलते हैं ना बाहर. चलते हैं ना. मैंने अभी बोला थोड़ी देर पहले I'll try convince Aryan so that we go out and take a stroll. स्कूटी निकालते हैं, घूम के आएंगे.
थोड़ी देर यहाँ फूल अराउंड कर, नीचे जाएगा, आधा घंटा कुछ काम करेगा.
उसके बाद अंधेरा हो जाएगा, फिर कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं है. Say bye to my vlog and fuck off. right now. Say bye to my vlog and fuck off. And my brother, like a loser he is, straight away told me that he has some work to finish and he can't go. Sometimes he just reminds me of myself so much. Anyway, it's time that I go downstairs for two reasons. First one being that there's a langur that I just spotted. I don't know what do I call langur in English, but एक langur है यहाँ पे. I'll just show it to you guys. There it is. There it is. Can you see? I'm kind of scared of these langurs and bandars because they just happen to attack us human beings. So I'll quickly rush to my place. And also my mom has been calling me for quite some time now. And I'm also scared of my mom. So yeah, I'll just head back home. I quickly waited langur. My mom's in a good mood. Safe and sound back to my balcony. And yeah, thanks for being on the vlog. Really means a lot that you guys watch it. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and just keep connecting guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much.